In this video, we're going to show you how to release a jammed confirm or limit button on your Simplicity remote. Notice in this shot, the rubber portion of the confirm button has slipped inside the housing of the remote. To fix the button, we're going to remove the back of the remote by first removing the battery. Next, we're going to push up on the bottom of the case to release the back of the remote from the front of the remote. Then simply lift the back of the case off. Next, we're going to reposition the rubber buttons back into place. We'll then reattach the back of the remote to the front of the remote and slide it down into position. And then replace the battery. The rubber button depressor is back into position. For further assistance, please contact customer service.